Hey, it's Sean from P2R. Today I wanted to touch back with you guys on a video I did quite a long time ago, which is showing you guys how to use our rear main seal install tool. This is probably one of the easiest tools to use. It's basically 2 simple steps. Just gonna put some oil on our seal, and then we're gonna go ahead and hammer it in. The install tool pretty much is gonna bottom out at the exact position of being installed at perfect height. So there's really nothing you can do wrong. We'll go ahead and get started. Just wanna go ahead and put some oil on the seal. Just gonna put some on the inside lip as well too. So really you just gotta get it over the crank. Just like that. We're gonna take our tool, which is gonna fit on there just like that. And we just tap it. Once it bottoms out, just pull the tool off, and here goes your rear main seal. Installed, ready to go. Perfect seal. All right, so just that easy, we went ahead and put on the rear main seal. That tool is available on our website. It's our part number TP0004 is the actual tool that goes on the rear main seal. And if you're gonna use the handle, that is our TP0003. If you guys got any ideas for any other tools you'd like to see us release for the J series engines, write in the comments below, and we'll continue to keep pushing forward. I'll see you guys again soon.